Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube name. My beautiful name is Mary Chep and welcome to yet another video. Thank you for those who have been subscribing. Thank you for those who have been watching my video. I don't take it for granted. We are in road to 1k subscribers, guys. So in today's video, we are going to prepare pilau. So follow me as we make our pilau step by step. So let's get to the video. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Support your girl. We are in the road to 1k subscribers. So let's get to the video. So guys, here we have our garlic, our garlic, ginger. Then we have some onions here, some potatoes. Then we have rice here, our washed rice. We have the pilau ingredients. This is the pilau ingredients. So first, our onions into small circles. So our onions are done. So we are going to crush the ginger and the garlic. So I'm going to use this rolling pin with this container to crush it. I've crushed our ginger and garlic. This is how it has turned out. So next I'm going to grate my tomatoes. So I'm going to put in here, and this is our grater. So I'm going to cut my tomatoes into two. Then I'm going to crush it in here. see you when I'm done crushing my tomatoes. After grating my tomatoes, this is how it has turned out. So I think what we need to make our pilau is ready. So let's get to the step of cooking. I've put our cooking oil, it's ready. So we are going to add in onions. So we are going to wait our onions to cook until it turns brown. Our onions has turned brown, so we are going to add in our crushed ginger, garlic and ginger. And then we add in our grated tomatoes. Our pilau spices. We add in 1 cup of our washed rice. So here we have the bananas I've peeled and cut into small pieces. And then here we have tomatoes, dania and some onions. So with this I'm going to make some kachumbari for our pilau. So our kachumbari is ready. So let's see if our pilau is ready too. It's like also our pilau is ready. So let's serve and see you the results. Some bananas. This is our pilau and our kachumbari. See you on the next one. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.